Alright, hey YouTube, this is RB Trades. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and I guess the point of this video is to talk about the point of this channel. So, I started this channel to document the journey. I feel like I've been trading over a year and a half, and I don't have much info other than maybe a trading journal on what I've been doing as a trader. So, I really just started this to document the journey and spread my knowledge and build a community of honest people, because I feel like the trading community lacks that. The trading space lacks that for sure. I feel like this industry is filled with scammers and people that are trying to lie and sell a course. And I don't want none of that. It's a very bad image for this industry because it's such a beautiful industry. And I genuinely believe that with the right tools and discipline, anyone can find a way to make it in trading. And the beauty of it is it just provides a different level of freedom. You're basically controlling, you are your own boss. You control your own path. All you have to do is stay disciplined, keep your head down and work, and stay humble. And that's what I'm currently trying to do. It's a long journey, it's not quick, but this is essentially the hardest way to make easy money. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit later, but like I said, the point of this channel is to document the journey and set an example for traders, because I just want to grow a community of people. Like my Discord, join my Discord if you haven't already. We already have close to 20 members after around 2 to 3 days of doing the social media. And I live stream every single day on my Discord when the market is open. I'm going to be sharing concepts and my knowledge on this channel. We're going to be doing trade recaps. I'm going to be trading with my members, and we're just going to grow together. So I feel like a good way to start this channel is to review bias for tomorrow. So, because obviously we got live trading tomorrow. It's Sunday right now, Sunday the 2nd of February. And tomorrow, Monday at 9:30, the market opens. And we're gonna have a huge surprise, because futures are already saying that the market is going to be down 2%, which is a very huge drop. As we can see here, this is the weekend. If you're wondering why there's no candles here, this is the weekend. There's no trading happening on the weekend. The market is closed, so this is a little gap that we get in the market when there's no trading. And yeah, so we're gonna get a huge surprise. We gotta get ready for the market tomorrow. I'm gonna review some bias just to see what we're looking like, what type of shape we're in, so that we're prepared, because failing to prepare is preparing to fail. And we always want to be prepared in trading. So let's check out what the market's been doing. Typically when you review bias, you want to stay on the higher time frames, because it gives an idea of what the whole market looks like, gives a bigger picture. If you're on the lower time frames, it's very short. It's not enough to see what general direction the market's heading. So we're on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Those are my favorite time frames to scope out and review our general direction. So on the 4 hour, we could see that we were in sort of bearish structure for the duration of December and early January. And what I mean by bearish structure is that essentially we just have a high and a low, and we kind of go in this arrow down direction. This is called bearish structure. We have a high and a low, and we go down, and then we make it back up, but we don't break above this area. This is called a lower high. And similar, when we go down, we make something called a lower low. And again, lower high. And we kind of go in this general direction of down, and we keep making lower highs and lower lows until we switch structure again into bullish structure, which is very similar to bearish structure, except it's the complete opposite. So we have a high and we have a low. We move up, we move down, and then we make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we keep going again until we shift structure. So, like I said, late December to early January, we were in this bearish structure until we changed. So instead of making a lower low here, which is going down this area, we made a higher high, right? So we were supposed to go down, we made a higher low, and then a higher high, and then we kind of kept going up, and then we made a higher low, and then another higher high, and was very bullish, right? And we kept on going like that until we had this huge drop caused due to DeepSeek, which was a huge surprise for the market, and everything sold off. But we did recoup these gains quite quickly with this past week. Over here, we were in very bullish structure, but now again, for some reason, I'm not sure why, I guess we'll find out tomorrow, but the market sold off on the last day of last week, and now over the weekend, we've completely sold off. So now we're hanging around the same area as we were until with the initial drop. So we're looking at this stuff over here, and it does seem pretty bearish because, like mentioned before, we have this high and we have a low, and we struggle to make a higher high, but so we make a lower high, and we go down and it looks like we're gonna make a lower low. So it does seem pretty bearish, and that's actually good news for us traders because we will be looking to trade the reversal tomorrow. So yes, it is bearish right now, but for us traders, that's good because we will be able to catch the reversal. So that's something that I will be looking for tomorrow morning. And if you want to check it out, of course, join the Discord. Stay tuned. We're going to be posting a bunch of videos about market structure, about liquidity, price action, and different strategies like finding your actual entry. So stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to be trading at 9:30. Join the Discord. See you.